Using our Torx bit, we're going to go ahead and remove the 2 Torx screws holding the corner marker light. Once you get that screw out, go ahead and grab that light. Pry it out and pull it forward so you can release these 2 tabs right here. Next, grab your corner light bulb, twist counterclockwise, pop this out. Take a new lens. Peel off your little bulb cover here. Install, twist clockwise until it locks in. Put your 2 little tabs into the grill area. Install your screws. Now when tightening this down, you just want to wait till it seats, and then just a little bit more, you're just securing plastic to plastic, so you don't want to over tighten this and crack it.